Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to talk to you guys about my weekend that I spent with 651 vinyl. For those of you that missed some of the announcements, some of the lives that we did, I am now what they call a 651 VIP, which means I am part of their affiliate program. There's just a small group of us, and basically what that means for you guys is I'm able to provide you with some upcoming products and stuff, and little videos about the things that they're going to be offering, and I will have my links below in all my videos, and if you purchase from those, that helps support me and what I do and helps me make these videos for you guys. So please, if you want to, I would appreciate you shopping through my link. It's right down there in the description below. But I want to show you some of the things that we did on craft night, some of the things that 651 sells that I picked up while I was there because we were able to make an order and actually watch the order go through. It was really cool to see how they do everything. And then I'm going to show you guys some clips of their warehouse. And then we're going to talk about why these guys are here too, because this was an awesome part of my weekend that wasn't really 651 related, but was a lot of fun. So let's get started with some of the things that we did on craft night. So one of the things that we got to play with was their brick, which is like a really thick, heavy vinyl. It's really fun to play with. We got these little bags, and they're really cute. They do not carry these. These were just given to us for craft night, but you can use brick on bags, shirts, hats, towels. It's a really fun product to work with, so I really had a good time learning how to use the brick. We also made can koozies. I'm sorry, can coolers. Remember, guys, you can't say koozie. So we made these really cool can coolers, and we used a printed patterned HTV and with the 651 logo, and this one is their tie-dye pattern. It's really, really cool. I love this pattern. I do have some of this, so we will be doing some things with this one. We also made these stadium cups. Now, I know, it just looks like a plain old stadium cup, but this thing is really fun, so I'm going to show you guys why it's so fun. Because it's color changing. So I believe this will come in 3 or 4 colors. It's not out quite yet, but it is coming out. This is like a really pretty orangey red color. The color change is so vibrant in these, and I really, really love it. I can't wait to order all the colors in these. The cup is nice and thick as well, but we got to weed the decal and place it on the product. I had a lot of fun doing this with the employees. It was really fun to watch them learn how to use some of the tools and check out these cool stadium cups. So I'll leave this guy right here so you guys can check him out. Loved that. That was so fun. We also made a keychain, and I cannot find mine anywhere, but we made a glitter keychain with the acrylic blanks. That was a lot of fun. And we also got to watch Leah Griffith, who does paper flowers. We got to have her do a paper flower presentation, and that is live on my channel. I did publish that for you guys. So I did, after I got home, I picked up a Leah Griffith Gerber Daisy. I got this off of Amazon. I believe it was $6.99. And then I also purchased the Leah Griffith Fiskars paper curler doohickey thingy that she showed us how to use. So we'll be doing a tutorial with some Leah Griffith flowers. I'm really excited to do these. They looked really hard for me when I just saw the pictures, but once I watched her do it, they looked pretty easy. So that was a lot of fun that we got to do that with her. And then we also were, like I said, we also were able to get a couple new products like the cup, but we also got this new printed patterned vinyl. This is on their site. I believe it's called White Lily, but don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure it's White Lily. But this comes in both 651, which is the permanent vinyl, and also comes in an HTV. This stuff's really pretty, and we'll definitely be doing some things with this one. And now, on to the things that I ordered while I was there, and then I got to watch them pick my order and see how the process went, and it is so organized. It's amazing. The people that work there are the nicest people. Their customer service is fantastic. They answered all our questions while we were there. They were wonderful people. So what we got, we did get a cool, and these are kind of a limited edition item, and I don't know how well you can see them, but this is a 651 enamel pin. We did get these. These are really, really pretty. They're good, bright colors, but you can't order this. This is like, he'll give them out. He'll say the first 200 orders will get one, or just random orders on a certain day. So keep that in mind. Just watch for those on the group. He just did another giveaway of those. We have the Stab and Grab tweezers. These are really, really nice. They're they're great for weeding, especially when it's really small stuff. And I will warn you, the tip is very, very sharp, so make sure that you don't lose the little plastic piece that comes with it. There's a little grabby piece that comes with this. So you want to make sure you keep that together at all times because you don't want to accidentally stab yourself because those are super sharp. I also got the pliers from them. They're jewelry pliers. Let me see if I can get the bag off. I haven't unpacked any of this. I kept it all together. So these are really good for use when you're doing jump rings and things. They've got nice, really small tips, and I really enjoyed working with these when we were in the warehouse. I got to play with them a little bit. So I did purchase myself a pair of those. I got another pin pen, and I got it in mint. I'm hoping you guys can see this against my shirt. But I got it in mint. I love the pin pen. It's super easy to work with, and I had to have a mint one because everything has to match in my life. I got an X-Acto knife, which theirs I liked a lot better than the one I have from like the hardware store because it comes with a cap. And for me, the cap is super important because I have pets. And if, God forbid, one of those idiot pets of mine decided to somehow find this and grab it, I keep all my stuff in a drawer, but the cap is really hard to get off. They would have a heck of a time. Plus, it keeps it from rolling off of your counter. If you put the cap on the back and you just set it down, it won't roll off and stab you or stab your floor. The blades are, you can replace the blades really easily, so that's super nice. Speaking of replacement blades, I got the German carbide blades, a 3-set of them. They're the 45-degree angle. Standard blades, they're good for your Explorer and your Maker machine. I got these while I was there. I was definitely needing those. They have these adorable tassels. They're for your acrylic blanks, and I got them in like a silver glitter and red. You get a 5-pack of these guys. Loved these. Can't wait to put these on some of my acrylic blanks. I got some HTV while I was there because it was so fun to be able to see them pick these out from when you put them on the computer. It's such a cool order. I can't wait to show you guys in the rest of this video. So I got purpley color. This is strip flock and it's aqua, I think this one's aqua, or teal. I can never remember the color names. I should have brought my receipt with me, but this is the strip flock, so it's a much thicker product. This is Caesar Electric in peacock. Oh my god. I can't wait to make something with this. This one just makes me super happy every time I see it. I love that color. This is glow in the dark. Oh no, Randy, down. Let me pick my poor penguin up. Oh no. Can't knock him off. Poor guy. And then the next ones are all glitter because I have a slight obsession with the glitter. So it's all HTV. So this is, I believe, raspberry rainbow. Really pretty color. This one might actually be raspberry rainbow. But either way, I got a bunch of really pretty colors of the glitter. And then I got neon because I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'm obsessed with that. So I love it. And then this one, how pretty is that? I know, I love that one. And then I got neon green, which I thought was really fun. So then after we got to do all of the touring and the craft night, we got to hang out with some of the employees, and it was really a lot of fun to get to know all of them. So if any of you guys are watching, it was great. I had a wonderful time. You're all very, very sweet. And then on Sunday, it was time to head home. But Alex Vanover, over at Divine Design Crafts, she also works for 651. Her and I have the same obsession with penguins. So we were able to go to the Newport Aquarium in Newport, Kentucky, which is just over the border of Cincinnati. And we got to meet penguins, hence our penguin friends here. So we were able to pet them and get to know a little bit about them. And it was just a really fun experience. And if you guys ever want to go to a really nice aquarium, I highly recommend that. So let's go over. I'm going to show you guys some of the footage from the warehouse. I will show you some penguins, and we're just going to have a really good time. And before we go, I actually forgot to show you one last thing. So we got the Caesar HTV catalog, which shows you all of the different HTV that they sell. And we have the holographic. We have the Easy Weed Electric. We've got Easy PSV. Then we have the permanent glitter. So this is not just HTV, I lied. This is all the different kinds. We have strip flock, and look at all their glitters. I'm like obsessed with having this. I think this is going to be really helpful. So if you are like somebody who sells this would be a great product for you because you could take this to your shows, you could show this to your clients, and they can easily see the color that you're using with this book. This is on their website. So let's go over and I'll show you some footage. guys had fun hearing about my weekend with 651 Vinyl. Again, super excited to be part of their affiliate program, along with Ashley Jones of Ashley Jones Creates, Linda Davis of LOB Creations, Ken and Sean of Ken's Creations, Leah Griffith, and Tanner Bell. So we're very excited to be a part of this and see where we can take this. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Always happy to answer this for you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional bonus video here and there. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy crafting!